the spring of 1959, famed low-budget filmmaker and notorious cross-dresser Ed Wood Jr. secretly financed clandestine scientific experiments. His ultimate goal? To create the first genetically engineered, anatomically correct he-she. Shocking! Terrifying! Fabulous! But something went horribly wrong. Bit player Tor Johnson stumbled into the transmogrifying chamber just as lightning struck. And he wasn't alone. This Easter, don't miss the most shocking, most terrifying, most controversial movie ever made about Easter. The Eas-TOR Bunny Cometh. You can run, but to no avail, 'cause he's hopping down his murder trail. Hippity. Hoppity. Eas-TOR will make you pay.
Loser.